Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bandit Cam, and the title of the video is "No Time Wasted. Officer knew the suspect too well and acts fast." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
You tried to pull me the other night when you was at neighborhood on Market Street.
On March 5, 2024, a man named Anthony Anderson was pulled over for having dark window tints. Tensions quickly rose when he recognized the officer from prior encounters. But the department is also very familiar with Anderson, as he's spent a fair share of time inside their holding cells.
My car started late.
Roll the windows down.
I can't roll my windows down.
You can't roll them down?
What's up, man? Cause you the same one that walked on my car the other night, bro.
You can stay in the car. Okay, you can stay in the car.
Okay, but chill out there, chill out.
Is anybody in the back seat or no?
Ain't nobody in the back seat. I got stuff in the back seat. But what your name is? Cause you the one that ran down on my car the other day.
My name is Officer Warner.
Come on, sir. You touching my vehicle, sir.
Yeah,
you is touching my property. You cannot touch my property, man. What did you pull me over for?
Your tent.
My tent? Oh,
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do. What's wrong with my tent?
It looks too dark.
It's not dark.
Okay.
It's not dark.
We'll test it. We'll see.
It's
you got
not
your license
dark.
on you?
You done went through this before with this back, all this stuff.
Bro, this the same cracker. He just tried to pull me over the other night.
Why are you slinging
Because
some
you a
racial slurs
bitch,
around?
man. You was a bitch. It's not no racial slur. Bro,
I'm not
because you keep
harassing
on, you is harassing me. You tried to pull me the other night when you was at neighborhood on Market Street.
Okay.
You remember that with no lights?
ID.
You hopped out the car with no lights on?
Let me see
and
your
you,
ID.
you tried to lick inside my car?
Let me see your ID.
Don't worry about it.
We just doing, we taking it out.
But you ain't got shit better else to do. You a real bitch. Can you please stop moving my door like that, man?
No.
Come on, cause you gonna fuck up my door, man. This is my property, it's not yours. So move the fuck around. You got my ID, go to the car.
Do you need to go in handcuffs
Bro,
or what?
go to the fucking car. Do what you gotta do. I gave you my fucking ID. Go and do what you gotta do, man. Do what you gotta do.
I think you should relax. That would probably be
He
good.
had a problem with his door.
Don't worry about it.
6'3". Can you run one by Ford ID?
Don't worry about it. Oh, man, Crocker, I got license, I got everything, Crocker. Do what I'm
Alpha
doing.
536.
Fuck you.
1070 for an Anthony Anderson.
Damn, who is that? His mama or something? He talk like that in front of his mom? That's crazy. This man got no respect for nobody at all. Zero. This dude, man, escalating something that's a simple ticket. Tent, this is a simple ticket. If his license come back clean, simple ticket. And we're gonna sit here and witness. I guarantee he's gonna escalate this to something that it don't even need to be. We're gonna get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm gonna help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
It's the same dude. Hey, listen, 2 nights ago, this same dude.
Why?
Same dude.
He about to
Did
be
the same shit, and it was so many witnesses, too. That's the crazy part about it. I'm glad I got you right. I'm glad you right.
That's harassing him. So you see his tag and so you harassing him.
I was supposed to find your ass that night, but I was too busy.
What you gonna find me and do?
Oh, I was gonna find you and report your ass. Because you harassing shit. That's what you doing. Come on, man.
What you gonna report me for?
Because you harassing shit, bro. You don't got shit going on, bro. Just like you trying.
Harassing?
Just like the other night when y'all shine the light inside of my shit. Come on, man. Get up out my car, man. Cause I'm finna go on here to pull up because he tripping, bro. I don't even feel safe. I don't. Why are you doing this, man? Man, get the fuck out my car. Man, come on.
He got them together, didn't he?
Officer 20, here's the channel.
I swear to God, crack your eye. Hey, listen, you talking about get the fuck out of the way. You want to push your old leg?
When I go to court, I tell the story. Y'all harassing him. They harassing him.
I swear to God, you a bitch, bro.
They harassing him.
Bro, you was a bitch, bro.
And then he had to push me.
Man,
And
I
I'm a
swear to
senior
God.
citizen.
I swear to God.
I'm a senior citizen. He pushed me.
Well, ma'am, you got pushed because you were in the way, okay? That's why you got pushed, okay? If you would have stayed back a little bit and not interfered in police business, you wouldn't have got pushed, ma'am, okay? And you are part of the reason that this guy acts like this, okay? You are an enabler, okay?
When I go to court, I tell the story. Y'all harassing him. They harassing him.
I swear to God, you a
They
bitch, bro.
harassing him.
Bro, you was a
And then he
bitch,
had
bro.
to push me.
Man,
And
I
I'm a
swear to
senior
God.
citizen.
I swear to God.
I'm
man.
a senior citizen. He pushed me. That's
Man,
not
y'all
right.
some real bitches, bro.
That's
Take
not
your
right.
badge off,
I'm
bro.
harassing
Take
him.
your badge off. Take me down the street.
Take
Take your badge off.
Warner,
Take your
I'm
badge
saying
off.
this.
Stop holding me, man.
Y'all
Bro,
harassing him.
I swear to God, Cracker. Hey, Cracker, listen.
And they Jim Crow.
Man, listen.
They Jim Crow harassing him.
Don't worry about it. I got some for all y'all
They
bitch
say,
ass.
don't worry about
Hey,
it. Don't worry
get this
about
Cracker name right
it.
here.
I got both
Get this Cracker name right here.
Warren and Hayes. Hayes at H-I-G-E-R.
They can slow it down, take another one.
That's a lot.
Don't worry about it. Man, come on, man. I can't fucking breathe, man. I can't fucking breathe.
Roll on your side.
I swear to God, I can't.
Then roll on your side.
Bro, I swear you give me a fuck.
He can't breathe. What y'all doing to him? It's you causing this, young.
All right, I got
You
something for
causing
you.
all this.
I promise I got
And
something
it's
for your
not
bitch.
right. It's not right. It's not right when
Man,
y'all
come
treat
on,
him.
man. I cannot breathe. Get up off me, man.
Push me.
Bro, get
I'm
up.
a senior citizen.
Don't worry about it.
He came harassing him.
Don't worry about it, Pam.
Okay, but he-
We gonna tear him a new asshole.
and then he got
Come on with your kids, nigga. Fuck you, you my.
Alright, let's get him out.
Stop.
Come on, man. Fuck you, got me like that, boy.
He been dealing with the cops for too long to he know better, bro.
Hey, Grandma.
Oh, that's grandma. Man,
Don't tell me. I promise you, I'll let you tell me. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you. I promise you, y'all will let y'all kill me, boy. I promise you that. I promise you that.
talk like that in front of his grandma? That's crazy.
But I promise you, I'll beat you in court, man.
I'll talk to you in a second.
Anytime.
How do you know?
That's not right. You harassing him.
Okay,
And
yeah.
I want a Jehovah Witness, and I see you
would you
harassing
like me
him.
to explain to you
And
what's going
then-
on?
And then you're gonna push me.
Hey, ma'am.
I'm a senior
We gotta
citizen.
talk, but you can't just keep following us around. Let's just. Is she in this car?
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Stand right by the back then. That way we can
That's
talk.
not right.
We don't want to keep following you around.
go see that for myself.
I'll talk to you.
Male who is taking in the
Grandma.
trash eating items.
Are you his mom or his grandma?
I'm his great aunt.
His great
and
aunt?
you shouldn't treat people like you treat them. Stop being discriminating.
Who's
Stop
discriminating?
discriminating. You will.
Why do you?
Wait, his great aunt? What? That's his great aunt?
Male who is taking in the
Grandma.
trash eating items.
Are you his mom or his grandma?
I'm his great aunt.
His great
and
aunt?
you shouldn't treat people like you treat them. Stop being discriminating.
Who's
Stop
discriminating?
discriminating. You will.
Why do you feel that way?
Because he said you stopped him the other night.
I didn't stop him.
Yes, you did. He
I
said
did
you
not
stopped
stop
him
him.
the other night.
I did not stop him the other night.
And why are you harassing him?
I'm stopping him because of the tint.
Okay, he done got this before. The tints is out. A lot of people got these tint windows.
Okay.
A lot of people got tint windows like these.
We
To be
stop a lot of
honest.
people with tints.
Yeah, but you already know this.
So why would he start to say you're
No.
gonna drive away, put it in drive?
You
And then fight me.
no. He was telling you about his windows. He want him to let down the
Right.
window. He told him his window can't go down, and then he like all up on the door, pushing on the door. You should
Do you
stop.
do you know why I do that?
You should stop.
Hang on.
Yeah. No accountability for the guy. No accountability for your great nephew? Yeah. No accountability. The cop asked a simple question. Why did he decide to put it in drive or whatever and say that he was gonna take off? No. The window. The window. No, ma'am, that was not the question. Can we take some accountability here, or are you just gonna blame the other person, the officer? Does the officer get the blame all the time, or is the civilian gonna, hold their own people accountable?
He was telling you about his windows. He want him to let down the
Right.
window. Yeah, but you already know this.
So why would he start to say you're
No.
gonna drive away, put it in drive?
You
And then fight me.
no. He was telling you about his windows. He want him to let down the
Right.
window. He told him his window can't go down, and then he like all up on the door, pushing on the door. You should
Do you know
stop.
do you know why I do that?
You should stop.
Hang on one second.
You should stop. And stop harassing people.
Do you-
Y'all need to wake
Can
up.
I explain to you why I stand in front of
Stop
this door?
being discriminating.
Can I explain to you why I stand in front of this door or no? I stand in front of the door because I can't see inside of the car. And
You
he kept trying
asked
to
him.
close the door.
You asked him.
So
You
to
asked him
prevent
what
him
was in
from
the
closing
car.
the door,
You asked him what was
I
in the
stood
car.
in front of the door.
Stand back over here with us.
Thank you. You asked him what was in the car. He said he got stuff in the back.
Anderson was charged with resisting an officer without violence and released on bond. However, just a month later, he was arrested again for battery and criminal mischief. If you haven't already,
What a joke. What a joke. You can't make this up. This is what I'm talking about. You can't make this up. This guy is a career criminal. He's going to continue to be a career criminal his whole life until he finally gets slapped with some real time and get a wake-up call. I get the cops, man. They did their thing, man. I'm giving them a 4. That's a fact. I'm giving them a 4. Boy got right. Big boy, yeah. Big farm boy, too. Yeah, with the tats. Yeah, my boy was... What? Because, dude in the car, he a big boy, too. But they got the thumping. They got it on. You feel me? Let's get it shaking in here. Like, yeah, you get a 4, man. Yeah, put him down. You hear me?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.